Welcome to 360 Agro Solutions, your full cycle agro partner.
So today we are at Maslanda Rice, the rice mill located along Kefi Nasarawa Road. We are here to bring you the updates on the installation thus far. This rice mill installation began sometime last year, and so we are here to go in section by section to bring it to you to see how far and what capacity these machines are going to be operating upon. So come with us. And this Maslanda rice is going to be releasing a premium rice to the Nigerian market for the consumers.
My name is Hussein Mohammed. I'm site engineer. This project will take us 4 months now.
My name is Abdulaziz Ridwan. I am the installation engineer on modern rice mill installations. This project carried us 4.5 months. Currently, we are on finishing stage for test running.
So this is the first point of call. Yes, this is called the intake. Yes, where the paddy is going to be poured into this a 6 feet hole. Yes, it's a 6 feet hole. You can see with the basket on it. So yes, so the elevator will take it up. You can see this is the elevator. Take it up to the pre-cleaning. This is the tank it's going to take it to. From there, it moves to this tank. So this is the staircase to the pre-clean. This is the pre-cleaning machine. The pre-cleaning, what it does, as the name implies, it removes all the foreign matters, remove the dirty that come with it from the farm during the harvest. This is where we store it. After the pre-cleaning, we store it at the buffer tank there to the soaking tank. So it is going to be stored here and then drop into the soaking tank. This tank you're seeing that is standing there, each of these tank is 3 metric tons. So we store it in the tank with hot water of about more than 100 degrees. We store it there for 8 hours. Later, we post-steam it and then we move it to the dryer. You can see this is the dryer. Yes, this is the dryer that we are seeing. This is where we parboil the water. We parboil it to 100 degrees. This is where we get the water to soak the paddy from. So this is the hot water tank. It is called the hot water tank, or you can call it condensed tank. From here, we transport the water with the help of electric motor. So okay, this is the boiler section. This is called chimney. This is called chimney. Yeah, so on the boiler, this is where it goes. The smoke goes up. So this is the boiler. This is called the boiler. Yes, this is the boiler where we generate heat from. The dryer system. This is dryer system. Yes, this is basically the dryer system where we dry the rice after parboiling it. We dry it here we dry it up to 12 to 12.5% moisture content to be ready for milling. So we dry it here up to 12.5 moisture content. So from the beginning of the drying, normally when you parboil rice, it's moist. The moisture is up to 120%. So we dry it to reduce it to 12.5%. Yes. After drying, we store in this in some of these tanks. We store them here. Yes. We store them and then we temper them for like 1 hour before moving them to the mill for milling properly. This is where we control all the steam, the hot water. This is going to be sealed so that for safety reason it is going to be sealed. We call it lagging. Yes, they're going to seal it with to avoid heat touching anybody, to avoid any accident. Yes. So whatever we are doing, we consider safety measures and all of that. Come with us and stay with us because we're going to show you till that time where we are going to start production. You will see how we are bringing out premium rice. So this is basically the parboiling system in the rice mill, where rice is being parboiled. If the rice is bad, this is where it starts from. You need to be, as an operator or as a supervisor, as a production manager, you need to be professional. You need to pay attention. When you are working in this environment, you don't need a divided, you don't have to come here with a divided attention. For safety reasons, all your attentions must be here to avoid accident, to avoid damages. So you have to pay attention, total concentration at work. Yes, to also help yourself so that you will not be involved in any accidents. We know that yes, sometimes accidents happen, but it shouldn't happen carelessly. There are accidents that can be avoided. Yes, so this session is the safety measure here. We are going to by the time we start production, by the time we're going to start the production, all the safety measure, all the safety signs we are going to be placed in all the places, so that people will see it and know that this is not where to come and play. Yeah, so when you're working in this department, you have to be very, very attentive. Yeah, so this is where we prepare the paddy so that by the time you get to the mill, we are going to get premium output. Yes.